PacketStream review. Can you make money using PacketStream? Is PacketStream legit or a scam? Okay, but first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. My #1 recommendation to make money from home. Now let's talk about PacketStream. So PacketStream, this is a proxy company. They are using proxies. So I'm going to tell you about how you can also make money here using PacketStream, and also how much you can make on PacketStream, guys. So how does PacketStream works? They're using proxies, and also they sell these proxies to companies that they need them. So they are the ones that they make money. And also the way that you can also make money here on PacketStream is that you are selling your own unused internet connection, guys. Okay, you are selling your own internet connection and use them, and also they're gonna take this internet connection yours and they're gonna sell them to these companies, to these proxies. Just be aware of that, okay? So how does it work is that you can just create your own account here on PacketStream, and also what is that they're using the residential IP addresses, and also they sell these residential IP addresses. They sell them to another companies, and then that's how these companies, they make more money than you, okay? Because you don't know what you do, you don't know what to do with your proxies, but these companies, they make more money than you. So they're gonna pay you cents, cents, not even dollar, not even $1. They're gonna pay you a cent. Although it does pay, but they pay so little amount of money, okay? They pay so little amount of money, so it is not worth your time, for someone that they want to make money online. I did try these kind of apps in the past, although they are legit, but they pay so little, guys, so little. Just be aware of this. They pay so little because they're gonna use your proxies and they're gonna sell them to other third-party companies, and those third-party companies, they're the ones that's gonna make money, not you. Okay, let's talk about easily with express and passive income. You cannot earn passive income with here. Flexible with zero impact, secure and private, contribute to a global network. So they earn passive income. What is passive income? Passive income, it means that an income that you are generating each and every day, and a passive income, an income that you can replace your 9-to-5 job. Here, this is not a passive income, guys. Okay, do not be fooled. Okay, do not get fooled here. You cannot earn a passive income with this kind of website. They wanna pay you 1 cent or 2 cents per month. Is it worth it? No, it is not worth it. That's not a passive income. To earn 5 cents per month, it is not a passive income. Just be aware with this kind of website that they're making these huge income claims. That will be earning passive incomes when you are using them. Okay, that's not true. That's not the right thing, guys. Okay, I did try this kind of website in the past. I never get paid anything. All I was earning 5 cents per month, investing my time with this kind of website, but I get 5 cents. It is not worth my time. Okay, as a packeter, you get paid for sharing unused internet bandwidth in our networks. So you'll be sharing unused your own internet, okay, with them, okay? So they're gonna pay you cents, guys, not even $1, cents per month. It is not worth it. So do not waste your time here on this kind of website. So I've been there in the past. I remember failing for 4 years, okay? This kind of website, they said you can earn passive income. Join this company, join this website. And then to find out at the end of the month, I got 5 cents. 5 cents dollars. It is not worth it, It's not even $1, it's not even $10. So the way that the newbies, the people that are desperate they want to make money online, they're desperate to this kind of website, they're taking a huge advantage of them. So I want to expose these kind of companies, guys, that said you're gonna earn passive income. You're not gonna earn a passive income with a 5 cent. You cannot buy even a loaf of bread, with 5 cents. So just be aware, guys. Okay, I'm just being transparent with you in this channel, guys. Okay, I'm showing you the legit way that you can make money online from home without wasting your time on this kind of website. Be aware of it, guys. Okay, so should I recommend it to this website to you guys? I wouldn't even try. I wouldn't even bother to sign up here. I wouldn't even bother to create my account here, because because they are not being transparent what they will use your own unused internet connection. They're not being transparent enough. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you a course that helped me to quit my 9-to-5 job. I will send you a course that helped me to have financial freedom, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I can. Take care and may God bless you. Good luck. Sharp, guys.